Welcome back to NoCap. In the previous video, we were able to score all the items of these habit links, hamburger. And we can see here the habit link score. None of the items scored are still unknown. Here we have all the items scored by AI. And the percentage here is now about 76%. Now there's one item here whose score is poor. I have many options, right? So I can go do an internet search, look for different brioche of this kind, and then come back here and update this habit link with what I found on the internet. All right, so that was going to take some time. Or I can give it to AI to find better candidates, right? And this is the concept of what is called a habit swipe, right? And so actually this one is called a habit link item swipe, right? So I'm just gonna click on this button here, right? And as you can see here, it's gonna perform what is called a swipe, right? So basically the goal is to find swipe candidate for this item here that I clicked. All right, so let's click here and let's let it do its thing. All right, and as you can see here, AI is searching for swipe candidates. All right, so it might take about a minute and 30 seconds. And basically what it's doing here is grabbing the concept of the habit stack, the habit link, and then the habit link item, and then it's basically going to the internet and trying to find a specific swipe candidate for this item that we selected. Okay, and it's done. It was actually pretty fast. So we can see here on top, that's the item that we want to change, the Toasted Brioche, and we can see that the score was pretty low. It was bad about 45%. All right, and we can see that this one here is about $7. Right now, so each one of them here, so this one is good. It's telling how much money we're actually saving. All right, so this one will save $6, this one will save $4, this one will save $3, this one another $3, and this one will saving $3. All right, so this one is average, that one is average as well, this one is also average. All right, and so the one I saved the most, actually it could be actually this one here, all right, because I'm saving $6. All right, so I'm just gonna click on it to see what it is about. So this one is from Kroger. All right, so we have from Kroger. All right, this one is from Walmart, another Walmart. All right, another Walmart again. All right, so you can see that, and Kroger. So basically Kroger and Walmart. So basically what is close to where I live. All right, so we can see that it basically says that this one is the best prices, and it has the best price, and it will tell you as well, right? So it's the price per unit is $179, and then we have for $179 we have 8 classic stuffed white buns. All right, it looks like this one is pretty good, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this one here. All right, so I click on this one, so it's gonna swipe this one that I selected with the one that is not, which score is bad. All right, and basically the overall scoring for this habit link is gonna go up. All right, I'm gonna click swipe. All right, so as soon as a swipe is done, so I cannot swipe anything anymore, so I'm just gonna go back, and we don't see the score 78. Now the score is about 82%, so that's pretty good. All right, so what it means, I can go to every single of those items, and then I can basically do an habit link item swipes. All right, so now just think about it. You can do a habit link item swipe like we did, so with this one here, but you can also do a habit link swipe, and finally you can also do an habit swipe. But for this instance, we're just going to focus on the swiping of just one item, which we did here. All right, so next we can see that we have this hamburger, we have lettuce, we have onions, we have pickles, we have the white bun, we have the ground beef, and then we have American cheese. But what if there is something else I want here? What if I want tomatoes? All right, so what should I do? Should I go and manually create one here? All right, so let's see what we can do about that one on the next video. Thank you very much.